Hi guys, welcome to Gadget Bridge. This is Sulabh and this is our comprehensive long-term review of the iPhone 11. Let's talk about this smartphone in this review and I'm going to tell you all the cool things about it. Let's first talk about its design and display aspects. With its Apple iPhone 11 series, Apple has done a number of things for the first time. To begin with, it has added a square camera module on the back panel, which is a big deviation in terms of design. The company has added more number of camera sensors to all the three models, and for the first time it has included the night mode in the series. Other than this, Apple has emphasized that the iOS 13 software will come with a slew of features and further guarantee the privacy of its users. Let's talk about Apple iPhone's 11 design and display first. Rich, premium and class apart. These are the words that come to our mind when we think of the iPhone 11's design. It does not deviate too much from the look and feel of its predecessor, iPhone XR, but then there is something about it that makes it better. Let's take a look at all the similarities and the differences. While the dimensions of the new Apple device are the same, the company is offering the iPhone 11 in more colors than its previous version. Purple, green, yellow, black and white and the product red are included. The back panel of the iPhone 11 houses the camera module and has the Apple logo. The square camera module is one among the best design changes that Apple has introduced in its latest range, and the one on iPhone 11 comes with two lenses, a mic and the True Tone flash, while the rest of the back panel of the iPhone 11 comes with a glossy finish. The area inside the square camera bump is matte. The front panel of the iPhone 11 is dominated by a 6.1-inch LCD display, which is one of its best features. No matter which aspect of the display we talk about, brightness, viewing angles, accuracy or sunlight readability, the screen on the iPhone 11 outperforms most others we have seen this year. To sum it up, we will say the iPhone 11 is a complete stunner when it comes to its design and display. Now it's time for its performance and cameras. Moving to the Apple iPhone's 11 performance and cameras, before we begin talking about them, let's quickly get over the specifications. Apple iPhone 11 runs iOS 13 and is powered by the latest processor, A13 Bionic chipset. For imaging duties, it comes with a 12 megapixel wide angle sensor, another 12 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor, and one more 12 megapixel telephoto sensor. For selfies and video calls, there is a fourth 12 megapixel selfie camera, which can record 4K videos as well. The device either comes with 64GB, 128GB or the 256GB storage option. iPhone 11 comes with IP68 water and dust resistance and is said to survive in up to 2 meters of water for half an hour. Over that, it comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. You can accommodate 2 SIMs inside as well. Yes, the second one is an eSIM. With the iOS 13, there are a number of new additions that the Apple iPhone 11 comes with. To begin with, users can opt for a system-wide dark mode, which is very beneficial in decreasing the strain on the eyes and also enhancing the battery life. Users can head to the control center of the device to enable or disable it. Another option is to schedule dark mode, so it will turn up when you want it to turn on. Personally, we love the new features that Apple has added to the iOS 13. Using the iPhone with all these new features made certain tasks way simpler than they were before. Plus, the way Apple is focusing on privacy is really worthy of an appreciation. When it comes to its performance, the specifications and the features of the iPhone 11 sound really good on paper, and honestly, our expectations were really high. Did it deliver? The answer is absolutely yes. One really has to use it to know what a performer it really is. No matter which heavy duty task we tried on the iPhone 11, it handled everything like a cakewalk. We played games like Asphalt 9 and even multitasked on it, and it ran absolutely smoothly. The iPhone 11's performance is such that it really raises the bar by a few notches when compared to its competitors. This smartphone comes with support for Dolby Atmos, and because of this, the gaming and the video watching experience on the device becomes even better. Even at very high volumes, the the sound output remains very clear and the quality remains consistent. Moving on to the Face ID of the device, it is highly accurate. In fact, we will not be exaggerating if we call it flawless. Now let's talk about its cameras. Till a few years back, iPhones were undeniably the best when it came to photography. However, that changed in the last few years as the competition between photography-focused smartphones really went up with the Google Pixel series and the Huawei introducing its P series and Mate series. With this, Apple's iPhones were no longer considered to be the most photography-centric smartphones. But hey, this is the iPhone 11 series and the crown is back with them. We got superb pictures during the day, and the same can be said for the night mode too. The details were high, the colors were accurate, and there was good amount of sharpness in all types of pictures. Skipping over to the selfie camera of the iPhone 11, it did a fantastic job. The color accuracy, brightness and the contrast here was also good. Here the portrait mode is also available for images taken from the selfie camera. It did help us take some very interesting shots. To conclude, we would say that buying the iPhone 11 is definitely a good idea, even if it's priced at Rs 64,900. But it does come with some bank cards discounts of up to 10%. So you might want to check those out. It has a very classy and premium design, its battery is lasting, the iOS 13 comes with a slew of interesting features, and besides this, the camera is just exemplary. Like we said before, we would like to call the iPhone 11 flawless, but then the use of LCD instead of OLED display would not make everyone happy. Also, in our opinion, the 5-watt charger inside the box was kind of a sore thumb. So I give it a rating of 4 out of 5 stars. Alright guys, if you did like the video, go ahead and press that subscribe button followed by the bell icon. That's the red button down here. Also, we are doing a neat little giveaway on our Instagram and Twitter pages. Why don't you go and participate there as well? My name is Sulabh. You're watching Gadget Bridge.